I guess I don't really care if it's dangerous or not. I'm going to town either way. I was weak. That's why I needed you. I needed someone to punish me for my sins. But that's all over now. I know the truth, and it's time to end this. What the hell is it? It's not human. Don't get holy on me. This town called you, too. You and me are the same. Don't you know that? You think it's okay to kill people. You need help, Eddie. Lots of it. Don't worry. I'm not crazy. At least I don't think so.